Meaning of Fiji.
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 Fiji. Fiji is a tropical island country located in the South Pacific Ocean. The name Fiji is derived from the indigenous Fijian language, and means the islands of the chiefs or the place where the warriors reside. Fiji is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs, making it a popular tourist destination. The country is also home to a diverse culture, with influences from Polynesian, Melanesian, and Indian traditions. Despite recent political instability, Fiji remains a unique and fascinating place to visit.